A very good morning to all. I am Abhijit Kaur Saharan. My dear students, before the starting of AV assignment, we are taking a pledge. You may speak with me in loud voice. Let's we start the pledge. I am Abhijit Kaur, commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors. To always wear a mask or face cover, especially when in public places. To maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others. To wash our hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together, we will win this fight against COVID-19. After the taking of pledge, now we're doing EVS book at the page number 19. The name of the topic is Outdoor Games. Name of the topic is Outdoor Games. Just identify the picture and speak the name of the game. Okay, my dear students. What they are doing? Race. Race. Horse riding. Horse riding. Golf. Golf. Hockey. Hockey. Polo. Polo. Cricket. Cricket. Football. Football. Repeat it again. Race. Horse riding. Golf. Hockey. Polo. Cricket. Football. After the identify of pictures, now we are doing the question related with the game. Which horse is used to play polo? पोलो को प्ले करने के लिए क्या यूज कर रहे हैं हम? हॉर्स. द आंसर इज हॉर्स. हाउ मेनी प्लेयर्स आर देयर इन अ क्रिकेट टीम? क्रिकेट टीम में कितने प्लेयर्स होते हैं? 11. द आंसर इज 11. विच इज अवर नेशनल गेम? हॉकी. द आंसर इज हॉकी. Now we will repeat it again, all the questions. Which horse is used to play polo? The answer is horse. Horse. How many players are there in a cricket team? 11. 11. Which is our national game? Hockey. Hockey. I hope you will understood the name of the games. Thank you. Name of the story is The Ants and the Grasshopper. The Ants and the Grasshopper. Some ants lived in a garden. Some ants lived in a garden. The grasshopper was lazy. The grasshopper was lazy. He sang and danced all day. He sang and danced all day. The ants worked hard. The ants worked hard. Every day they carried food to their anthills. Every day they carried food to their anthill. The lazy grasshopper made fun of the ants. The lazy grasshopper made fun of the ants. Soon summer was over. Soon summer was over and winter came and winter. Came the grasshopper had no food to eat. The grasshopper had no food to eat. The grasshopper thanked the ants. The grasshopper thanked the ants. Next summer, the grasshopper began to work hard. Next summer, the grasshopper began to work hard. Moral. Worked hard so you can reap the benefits tomorrow. Work hard, you can reap the benefit tomorrow. Thanks.